on my beauty to-do list is a facial. I have been getting a facial once a month for about 3 or 4 years now. And that is what has kept my rosacea at bay. It is what got rid of my hormonal acne. And at this point, like, it's just maintenance. It's like preventative maintenance for, like, you know, all the things. Woke up with a sty. Still, I'm not over this cold sore. Have a photo shoot in 2 days. Ugh. Okay, well, cute. And let me just tell you the worry that I have as I'm creating this vlog. Because I feel like, I mean, it's very superficial. This I am very aware, which is why I am wearing socks and sandals. You know, to ground me. It really keeps me humble and kind. That part was a joke. However, I just worry about it, but I'm just going to tell myself, I put my face on social media every day, and if I want to try and take care of my skin, not only for me, but so I look, I would say presentable, but I haven't really been very presentable lately. You know what? That's beside the point. Just come get ready with me, okay? Wow. Look at my sty. She told me I did the exact opposite. I looked up on Google what to do for a sty, and it said a hot compress, and she was like, no, that'll make it worse. Clearly it did. She gave me some, like, really good stuff to put on my eye. We did the facial. I'm really red. Besides the point. I didn't show it because I didn't really have the chance to. When I tell you that I did not want to wake up this morning, that is such an understatement. Look at my eye. This sty hurts so bad. I would have been better off last week doing the photo shoot with a cold sore than this. Ugh. So sad that I didn't sleep good, and it's like, oh boo-hoo, you have a day full of like beauty stuff. Whatever, we're gonna go. Okay, put on my Bali outfit because it is comfortable, but it's like cute. Like, this is my go-to outfit. I literally wear it with like a jacket and shoes, and you just look cute. The bonnet has to go. Even though she's beautiful, she's got to go. You guys want to see what, okay, this is how I sleep at night. And I made some stories on Instagram because I couldn't find my original one. I found her name, and she doesn't have it. She deleted her Instagram, which is sad because the original one that I bought of these are like really good. The edges right here are a little more stiff, but maybe it's because it's brand new. Like, so when I was sleeping like this on the pillow, like I can feel the ridge on my face, but it's not bad. I will say it's nice and loose, so it doesn't like give me a headache. Anyway, oh, yep, that's what you look like. Give it 10 minutes and it'll be like, girl. Give it 10 minutes, but it's not frizzy. It's matted down, but it's not frizzy. I just need to shake it and let it like air out. The only thing I did with my hair was like shake it all forward. I did a whole thing on my Instagram stories of like a hair refresh. I mean, that looks completely different than this morning. However, the eye isn't. The eye is still very angry. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I feel so sad that my photo shoot is gonna be a hack job.
Started something and we're not going back like light in a match, and it's trying to catch like falling so fast, chemicals react. The tide is high, but we keep on moving, taking me back, and I'm never the same. Tide is high, but we keep on moving.
Getting my grays covered, and I didn't bring my phone, so I have 35 minutes to just like sit, and to be honest, I'm not even sad about it. I am literally like closing my eyes and I'm running through like things I'm grateful for and positive affirmations. That is truthfully what I'm doing for 30 minutes. Good morning! The spray tan worked. And the sty in my eye is like so much better. So I'm going to run and go work out. Mr. Hoellein is vacuuming so that I can do my little photo shoot. We've got our paper up on the wall.
Move those cute toes.
Tay, I'm gonna move my toes.
Hi, cutie.
Gotta find some shoes. Yesterday, when I was looking through our medicine cabinet, I found some old like an antibiotic eye drop that I used when I had a sty a little while ago. And so I was so grateful because I even called the doctor to get a prescription for it because I forgot that I already had it. And he was out of town. I couldn't get into any of the other doctors. And I used that antibiotic. And the thing that I'm happy about is that the swelling is down because you can't cover swelling with makeup. No, lady, come in. No, Good girl, stay. Stay. Good, stay. But you can cover redness with makeup. But the swelling, that's a different story. That's harder to do. I have my step-by-step guide written for Bree, even though she knows the routine, she needs to know like time details and all that kind of stuff. So I specifically wrote out like a week's worth of like calendar stuff. We have all of our electronics charging. We need to clean this one. It's charging. We just uploaded 7 YouTube videos. I upload them. Joel usually gets the thumbnails ready. I think I have all of the things that I need as far as like makeup and toiletries go. It is a must that I have to have a clear shower cap for the shower and then a silk lined cap for the nighttime. I've been trying this one out. I like it because it has cotton on the outside, but like a silky material on the inside, satin. So I will link this one in the description because I finally found one that I really like. Plus it's like really beautiful. So I'll link that in the description. And I'm on my way to finding outfits for the night. So I bought this for a trip that I never used. I just decided not to wear it when I ended up going on one of my last trips, but I'm going to bring it because I thought it would be really cute with this for like one of the nights that we get dressed and ready for dinner. So at least I've got one outfit ready. Those are all of my swimsuits. And I get overwhelmed and I shove stuff. So I don't know, I need to go through and find some swimsuits and just like, I just shove things and it's something I'm not proud of, but it happens. And I just have so much stuff and I just don't know what to do with my stuff. Maybe I should clean my stuff out. Gotta find some cute outfits though. Thank you for helping me. He's like, I don't want to. Okay, keep handing me swimsuits so we can get them put away. Big handfuls. Hand me a handful. We're not folding these and doing this all organized. No, that's way too big of a handful. I can't. Okay. Okay, hold on.
You said big handfuls.
Medium to small handfuls is what I need. So you take the small handfuls and you just shove it up into the crevices and that's what's gonna help it stick. Ah, don't say you never learned anything from my channel. All right, in order to go on our trip, we have to have a negative COVID test. So that is what Joel and I are doing. I kind of like that we get to do it ourselves though, yeah.
Be real gentle.
Yeah.
Have you hold that? Okay, you ready?
Are you ready?
Way in far enough? Oh, still gotta be pretty far.
No, you don't have to.
He said you gotta go into there.
Oh, really? Oof.
Wait. My nose is dirty.
I feel like we're not getting very much done very quickly.
Everything we're doing right now is just time consuming.
I know. Good. Thank you boys for helping with the dishes.
Yep.
Are you gonna be good while I'm gone?
Yeah. Yeah.
Please, 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 from the bottom of my heart, be good while I'm gone.
Yeah.
Like going to bed at night.
You're not good for your heart.
Yep.
Please.
Are we gonna be here on the weekend?
You are going to Grandma and Grandpa Hoellein's on the weekend.
What, like on Saturday?
Friday evening.
Friday night.
And then Grandma and Grandpa will bring you back here on Sunday evening.
While you're here?
Nope, Bree will be here when you get
And
back.
we're gonna spend the night there?
Yep. You okay?
Should we bring our swimsuits or no?
No. You can bring your church clothes. I already packed them. They're at the front door.
We're going to chicken.
Yep.
Grandpa's got a teacher.
So we're going to Zoom.
Nope. We are going to finish up packing. Now, in order of the videos that are coming out, this is our prep for our trip. The next vlog you see is going to be our Thanksgiving Q&A. And then, after the Thanksgiving Q&A, you'll see the footage from our trip, which I'm really excited for you guys to see. Joel keeps watching these people on YouTube that show like good tips and tricks on how to like do videography, and he's like really trying to implement them.
Also playing games.
Oh yeah, he's trying, people. He's trying. For dinner tonight, this was so super easy. I know you can't really see it, but it's something to try if you want to. At the bottom of this, I put a little bit of red sauce, like just a jar of red sauce, and then zoodles, zucchini noodles, and then I had leftover mushrooms, and so I just like layered some mushrooms, and then I put purple cabbage and green cabbage, and so I chopped that up. It was already chopped up in the fridge. So literally I just dumped everything I had in here. I covered it in sauce, and then I'm going to cover it in cheese. And then you literally just cook it until everything is soft, and it's like a lasagna, but it's just really healthy and good. I just cook this on low. I don't stir it. I don't do anything because it's a really good non-stick pan. And that's all I do. We've had it before, and it is so good. This is what it looks like on the inside. Maybe it doesn't look super appetizing, but because I know what it tastes like, it looks super appetizing. So there's that. Oh, I forgot to say, I did put just raw noodles at the bottom. Not very many, just a few raw noodles, because I felt like the kids would like that. We still aren't packed. It's bedtime. I'm getting the kids ready for bed, and I'm still not packed. So, okay, I think I'm just gonna close the vlog. My spray tan that I showed you was several days ago, and I freshened it up. And so I look a little, you know, kind of funny. But anyway, keep an eye out for the videos that I talked about. And if you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up. If you think you know where we're going, comment. Isn't that funny that you can comment now? Comment below and tell me where you think we're going, or where you would like to go. If you were to choose a place to go, where would you go? Okay. Olivia said she would go to Hawaii.
I went there and I'm so jealous.
Who? Your friend did?
Yeah, for like a week. I'm like,
Oh, fun. Okay, see you guys later. Bye.
bye.